First Sunday of Advent. Gospel is taken from the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 24, verses 37 to 44. Jesus said to his disciples, "For as it was in the days of Noah, so it will be at the coming of the Son of Man. In those days before the flood, they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage. In those days up to the day that Noah entered the ark, they did not know until a flood came and carried them all away. So it will be also at the coming of the Son of Man. 2 men will be out in the field, one will be taken and one will be left. Therefore stay awake, for you do not know on which day your Lord will come. Be sure of this: if the master of the house had known the hour of night when the thief was coming, he would have stayed awake and not let his house be broken into. So too you also must be prepared, for at an hour you do not expect the Son of Man will come." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please like and subscribe.